Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am back with a new and exciting video. I am here with an Amazon haul. I have purchased a lot of items for this new house. So I'm going to show you everything that I've purchased. So before heading ahead, take a moment and subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon next to it so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. So without further ado, let's get started. I will start showing you guys everything that I get into my hand without any order. So yeah, the first thing that I've purchased is these beautiful candle holders. I just love this. I have got it in a pair and this is superb quality and it is made up of glass, so that is what I love the most. So the next thing that I've purchased is this beautiful wall hanging. This is so pretty. This come in this 3 plates and this says a beautiful message which I bought it mainly for. So it says positive mind, positive vibe and positive life. So that is what I'm looking for. So yeah, this was my next purchase. So the next thing that I've purchased is these holders. So these are so pretty in color. I just love this combination. It just comes in this two together. So I just love the combination of this, the steel color and this pink one. I just love them. So you can keep a lot of things in this. You can use it as a pen holder, or you can keep it in your kitchen to keep all your spoons and small items, or you can use multiple ways. And I'm just thinking what all I need to store in this. I'm super excited to use them. So it's like superb quality. I just love them. It has this velvety finish on them. So I just love that. So yeah, I just love it. So the next thing that I've purchased is this holder again. This you can use for a lot of things. So it is made of plastic and it has this wheel kind of thing at the bottom, so that you can keep it and you can roll all over. So you can keep it on your dining table or in kitchen to keep all the masala dabbas, and it'll be very easy when you're cooking and if you want to find out anything. So I just love how it rolls out. And yeah, the quality is nice. It's not very stable one, but it is a good aesthetic one. It adds a lot of aesthetic in your kitchen, and yeah, I just love it. So the next thing that I have purchased is this Organisers. It's a set of 6 which I have got. This holds 500 ml and it is of superb quality, and it has this airtight container going on. So it holds a lot of item in it. And this black cover, this is what excited me to buy it, because it adds so much aestheticness to your kitchen, and the shape of it is like another go-to. So this holds 500 grams of any product in it, and I got a 6 of them. So yeah, the quality is superb. It is the plastic is very sturdy and very nice. Again, in the container set, I have got this container here. Quality of this is also very good. I got 12 of them because obviously you need a lot of containers in your kitchen to organize them, and this looks so good. You can see through all the items that you have stored inside, and I just love it. So the black cover is an add-on for me, and this is of super quality. It is an airtight container, so you can store a lot of your kitchen items, groceries in it. So yeah, I love it. So the next thing that I've purchased is this oil dispenser. This is such a useful thing in your kitchen. You get this in a pair of 2, and it becomes so easy to dispense your oil, because you just need to open this nozzle and you just have to pour it out. So the next thing that I've purchased are these self-adhesive storage units, which you can use for a lot of items across your sink. Comes with this self-adhesive hooks. Put it on the wall and just you need to fix this shelf over it. So this is very good for the houses where your owner do not allow you to nail on the wall. So this is very useful. So the next thing that I've purchased are these non-slippery sheets, which you can put it on your shelves so that you can wash it or wipe it whenever it's dirty, and your shelf also do not get dirty at the same time. So these are of superb quality. You just can see that. I just love this color also because my shelves of my kitchen are of a mix of white and gray, so I purchased this gray one so that it does not get dirty also very soon, and it adds so much warmth to my kitchen. So I just love it. You can just place it on anything, like you can place it on your dining table, you can place it anywhere, on the shelves, on table, on in the cupboards, in the drawers, and it is like a multi-purpose thing. I just love it. I bought it for 3 meters, but I'm falling short of it. I'm definitely going to repurchase this for sure. I just love it. I just love the quality of it. So the next thing that I've purchased are these glasses. These are juice glasses, and I have got this in set of 6. I just love this quality. You can see how nice the quality is, and most of all, I just love the shape of it. It's so cute. I just love the shape. Initially when I had seen it in the website, I was thinking like, okay, it's a normal glass, so what's so special about it? It's a normal one. But when I received it, I just love it. You can use it like a candle holder also because you can see the shape of it. I just love it. The next thing that I've purchased are these cute plants. This I got it in set of 4, and this you can use for multiple purposes. You can use like a decor, you can just save it anywhere, because if you are not into that live plants, you can use this artificial plants to add some color to your home decors, and that is why I just purchased it. These are super cute, and I just got in set of 4. It adds so much color to my home decor. So yeah, this was my next purchase. They're super cute. So the next thing that I've purchased are these fairy lights. So I find it very useful if you're a content creator, or if you want to add some lights, small lights to your home decor, then these fairy lights are a go-to. This is a battery operated fairy light, so you can like fix it anywhere, and it does not require any plug whatsoever. So I got this in pack of 2, and I just love them because they're so cute and it adds so much aestheticness to your home decor. So yeah, I just love them. So the next thing that I've purchased are these stickers which you can like stick over your walls. You can make your own canvas, and you just can stick all over it. There are so many pretty ones. You have so many such prints which you can just stick it on your walls. The writings are so nice on it. You get a self-adhesive thing also at the behind, so you just need to remove it and stick on your wall. Next thing that I've purchased is this beautiful Buddha, which you can like add it as a home decor, and you can add it to a place where you can get some peace. By seeing this Buddha itself, you just get into such a peaceful place, and the detailing of this is such beautiful. You can see how nicely it's been done, and this orange and this gold combination, I just love it because the detailing of it is such pretty. It's such a pretty idol, and I just love it. So this was my another favorite purchase from the entire lot. So yeah, I just love this. So the next thing that I've purchased is this vessel drainer. So this was a very much required for me because I wanted something which will look good, and it will serve the purpose of this vessel drainer. And this you have this compartment also where you can like put all your spoons and spatulas and those stuff. So I just love them, and this come in this 3. So this is mainly the water drainer, and you just need to place it on top of it like this, and yeah, you're good to go. So this was my favorite purchase because this is such a good quality. It's made up of plastic, but it's of a great quality. So I just love this purchase. So the next and final purchase of mine from Amazon is this 3-story organizer, and this has these wheels as well, so it makes it very easy to store anything and just pull things towards you. It is a 3-story storage one. This is of a very good quality. It holds a lot of weight on it as well. So guys, this is all that I've purchased from Amazon. I'm super happy with all the items that I've purchased. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Share this video with your loved ones, and yeah, show some love and subscribe to my channel. So I'm going to end this video here, and stay tuned to my next upcoming videos. Until then, bye.